everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Mama Habit 84. Hope everyone is having a great day. So far, to my current and new subscriber, thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I finally received my package on today, you all. So I do have an unboxing on today. So let's begin to unbox. So yeah, I've been waiting on this bag right here to arrive, and I'm so excited that she is finally here. So I just unwrap her. So yeah, so I will just, just remove all of the paper off her, and then we begin to look at her. So this is she, you all. This is the Erin Shoulder Bag that came out when the powder pink came out. Yeah, I really is looking this bag over because, you know, this is the Erin Shoulder Bag in that chocolate leather, you all. I absolutely love the color that is on this bag. So you have the Coach logo in the gold hardware, and you have the Coach tag right here. This is the side of the bag. This is the back of the bag. You also have a zipper back pocket. This is the other side of the bag. And this is the bottom of the bag. So you do have your faux gold protective feet. So with this bag, do have 3 compartments. So you do have that brown interior in the inside of this bag. So you do have the middle compartment with 2 zipper pulls. So this is how it's looking in the inside. So you do have the Coach crease right there. And you also have a snap closure pocket right here with 2 magnetic pockets. And with the bag, you also have the shoulder strap, so you can adjust the shoulder strap if need be. So I will just bring the bag closer so you all can get a real good look. And I will turn the bag. And I will bring the bag closer so you all can see the tag. So if you all like this video on today, please give me a like, give me a share. Make sure you subscribe to Mama Habit 84. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you all will know every time I upload a video.